Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to give contributor access in Squarespace website. This is incredibly useful when you're working with a team and need to grant specific permissions to designers, content writers, or managers without giving them full control over your entire site. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has owner or administrator privileges, as only these roles can invite and manage contributors. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace homepage where you can see all your websites, find the specific website where you want to add a contributor, and click on it. This will take you into that particular website's dashboard where you'll have access to all its settings and management tools. Now look for the gear icon on your dashboard. This icon represents the settings menu and is typically located in the left sidebar or near the top of your screen, depending on your view. Once you've located it, simply click on it to access the full settings panel for your website. In the settings menu, you'll see various options for managing your site. Look for and click on permissions and ownership. This section is specifically designed for controlling who has access to your website and what they can do within it. Click on permissions and ownership once more to open the detailed permissions panel. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Invite Contributor. Click on this button to begin the process of adding a new team member to your website. This will open up a form where you can input their details and assign their role. In the name field, type in the full name of the contributor you want to invite. This helps you keep track of who has access to your site. Then, in the email address field, input their email address. Make sure this is accurate, as Squarespace will send the invitation to this email. Now comes the important part, selecting their role. Squarespace offers several role options, including administrator, billing, web editor, analytics, comment moderator, viewer, store manager, email campaigns editor, scheduling administrator, scheduling view and edit, and scheduling view only. Each role comes with different levels of access and permissions, so choose carefully based on what this person needs to accomplish on your site. If you want to give this contributor complete access to everything, you can simply toggle on administrator. This grants them full control over all aspects of the website, including the ability to invite other contributors and manage billing. Once you've selected the appropriate role or roles for your contributor, click the Invite button. Squarespace will now send an email invitation to the address you provided, and the recipient can accept it to gain access to your website with the permissions you've assigned. And that's it. You've successfully granted contributor access to your Squarespace website, allowing your team member to start working within their designated role. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.